You can install the Trac on the inside of the conveyor belt because of spillage under the conveyor, space limitations, or the presence of buckets or ribs. After identifying the problem area, prepare to install Trac at approximately 3 times the width of the belt before the problem area. Remove the existing idler and brackets or V-return frame. Bolt L-shaped bracket onto structure. Before tightening, make certain both brackets are knocked fully forwards or backwards to ensure the L-shaped brackets are perpendicular to the structure and lined up exactly opposite each other. Once completed, tighten all bolts. Push the belt down with the Trac. Slide the rectangular-shaped bracket onto either end of the shaft with fixing bolts facing downwards. And bolt the rectangular-shaped bracket onto the L-shaped bracket, ensuring that the corresponding set of holes are used. Set the space between the bracket and Trac evenly. Distance A must be the same. Very important, ensure that the Trac vertical axle, which is indicated by the shaft end flats, is positioned at 90 degrees, leaning in the direction of belt travel. Make sure that the Trac has got enough tension by pushing it backwards and forwards. It should be quite stiff. If the Trac moves easily backwards and forwards, there is insufficient tension. Loosen the rectangular-shaped bracket and move it downwards 1 hole on the L-shaped bracket. Recheck the tension. If it is still insufficient, move down another hole until you achieve sufficient tension. Recheck that the shaft end flats are set at 90 degrees or slightly forwards in the direction of the belt travel. Finally, tighten the fixing bolts on the rectangular-shaped bracket onto the shaft. Installation is now complete. Start the conveyor belt to test the Trac flat return tracker. Test that the Trac tracks the belt from both sides. Using a blunt object, manually detrack the belt by pushing the outside of the Trac fully in one direction. When you release it, the Trac should automatically center the belt. Repeat this test by pushing the outside of the Trac fully in the opposite direction. If installed correctly, it should centralize the belt from both sides. If the Trac detracts the belt, recheck the angle and direction of the shaft end flats. If the Trac remains kicked in on any one side, increase the amount of tension. If the problem persists, knock existing idler brackets or frames before and after the Trac perpendicular and horizontally aligned to the conveyor structure. Remove any other tracking devices or inverters in front of or behind the Trac before testing the conveyor system, as they will reduce or interfere with the performance of the Trac.